Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay September 14, 2025 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong September 14, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, September 14, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 14, 2025, Sunday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, September 14, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of September 14, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.